guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly access your Android phone storage on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. Okay, so for this guys, you need to first set up settings to access wirelessly your device storage on Windows PC. Okay, so on your Windows PC, first you need to connect your phone and PC with the Bluetooth. Okay, open your Windows settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, just turn on the Bluetooth and click on add devices and select Bluetooth from here. Okay, and in your phone just turn on Bluetooth and same you need to connect the phone and PC with the Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see guys, I have already connected this. Now go to Bluetooth and devices once again. Okay, and in the right panel scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option mobile devices. Just extend this and you need to enable the option allow this PC to access your mobile devices. Just enable it, and here you need to enable phone link app as well, and then here you can get the option open phone link. Just click and open it. Now it will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. Just you need to simply log in with your Microsoft account. On your phone, open the Google Play Store, and here you need to download and install one application linked to Windows. Okay, so just simply download and install it. Same account you need to log in on your Android phone as well, and then click on continue on your PC screen. On your phone, open this application, and same you need to sign in on your phone as well. So in my PC it was asking to send a security code in my register account. As you can see guys, just click on send code and you need to enter that code here. So first I will log in my phone. So in my phone it was asking same get a code. Okay, so in my phone I will send a code. Now you need to open your account. So here is code. Just you need to enter that code on your PC and in your phone. So as you can see guys in my screen, now my account was successfully logged in. So just you need to enable this all necessary permission. So as you can see guys, now my Microsoft account was successfully logged in my phone as well in my PC. So I will close this all unnecessary settings, then click on get started. So from your phone you need to confirm the device permission. So it will take some time, so wait for a few minutes to access your phone storage. So this feature is relatively new feature and was introduced through the new update of Windows 11 24H2. If you are not in 24H2, so you can't able to access your complete Android phone storage on your Windows 11 wirelessly. You need to remember this guys. Okay, if you are on the 24H2, so you can easily able to access your phone storage, photos, videos, everything. Okay, so this is the way to completely access your Android phone storage wirelessly on your Windows 11. So that's it all today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.